In this video I'm showing you an acrylic and gel polish design. So I've done all my natural nail prep work, apply my tips, cut and file to shape, apply my primer and a clear base, and now I'm coming in with CJP birthday suit using my big boy brush, picking up a nice big bead that will cover the whole nail, starting at the cuticle, getting it nice and flush and tidy around that cuticle, and then walking it down the rest of the nail. Checking your apex as you're doing this, and then you can add more if needed. And as you can see, I do keep swiping over the nail and really smoothing it out. This just helps keep that application nice and smooth, and it also reduces your filing time at the end because you're sort of smoothing any lumps and bumps out as you're doing it, and keep the shape nice and refined. Just apply a little bit more at that cuticle area to build up my apex. And when I'm using a gel polish, if it's a fresh set, I tend to apply birthday suit rather than clear. I just find it helps with the depth of colour when you come to apply your gel. So moving on to this nail, this is a half and half acrylic sort of cut out. So I'm applying CJP Coconut Milk. This is one of the new colours. It's a nice bright white in it, but it's so easy to apply. It's so creamy, the consistency is lovely. So just apply this to half of the nail, just creating a wall down the centre. Pulling that bead towards the tip. And this is a strength powder, so I'm building my apex with this, just on the one side. On the other side there will be some glitter, and you'll see what I do with that in a bit. Just keep that nice and crisp, which will also save filing time. And then I'm applying coconut milk onto this nail. It's a nice big bead. Nice and flush and neat up to that cuticle area, as close as you can without touching it. And then walk the rest of that bead down the nail. And this nail is another full nail of birthday suit. As you can see, I'm pinching as well, so when you pinch, just give the nail a squeeze. If it's mouldable, then it's ready to pinch, but if it's still tacky and sticky, then it's not quite ready. And another full birthday suit nail. So all these birthday suit ones are going to have gel polish applied on top. So I then use my file to refine that wall, give me something to butt that glitter up to. Remove that dust and then pick up a small bead of crystal glass and I dip into a fine rose gold glitter, which is from Glitterati. It was part of the rose gold stack. So just apply that right up to the white, just moving that glitter about with the tip of your brush to where you want it. Right up into that cuticle area. So then capping clear just the glitter section. So I've not built the glitter to the same height as the white, so it gives me something to sort of butt the clear up to. Just slightly over that white so there's no gaps. You want it obviously all the same thickness. So onto my filing, and because I apply my acrylic and keep smoothing it, I find that I don't have loads of finish filing to do. So I start off just refining those sidewalls, making sure they're nice and crisp, holding your file nice and flat to those. Come round and contour the sidewall, round your cuticle area, and then up the other side wall. And then I come down the barrel of the nail. Just thinning slightly, debulking a little bit, but just generally refining and smoothing that nail. Checking from all angles to make sure your apex is in the right place. And then look down the barrel of the nail. You want all the product to be nice and even. If there's any lumps or bumps, it will be noticeable in your finished result. The shape will look a bit off. So then use my white block buffer just to remove any scratches. So then remove all the dust and wipe over with acetone. And on the nude nails, I'm applying the gel bottle gel polish in number 078. It's a lovely sort of browny grey colour. It's really, really nice. So just apply your coat nice and thin, just smoothing over and capping that free edge. And just apply this onto all the nude nails. Once I've applied, I will cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then come back in and apply a second coat, getting it as close to the cuticle as you can, making sure all that nail's covered, and then cure for 60 seconds. And applying some Swarovski crystals, so I apply a tiny amount of CJP gripper glue and use my crystal katana to pick up 3 rose gold crystals. These are from Blue Streak Crystals. Now then apply CJP Tack Free Top Gloss to all the nails and cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Just give it a minute to cool when you bring your hand out of the lamp before you apply your cuticle oil. And here's your finished look. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.